When you're in a busy, active Facebook group, have you ever struggled to go and find that post, that discussion you really wanted to contribute to again? Wouldn't it be great if there was a simple way to get to the content you want to see? Here it is, a brand new feature being rolled out to Facebook groups, Managing Topics, and I'll demonstrate how easy it is to use. Here we go. Now this is my Facebook group, and I will say I haven't seen this feature available in all the groups that I'm a member of, or admin too, but it's here now in this group so I can show you how it works. So you can already see on the right hand side here, popular topics in posts, video training, live video, Facebook, free guides. So if somebody just wants to see the live video collection, all they would need to do is click here and then go to all of the posts that refer to live video. So you can just instantly access all of those as convenient. So the normal, obviously, process for Facebook discussions is the post that's had the most recent interaction, unless you've pinned one to the top like this, will always go to the top. So it's difficult to go back and scroll through and find all the different topics. And while I'm scrolling through here, you can see there's some little label badges. So that's a particular topic that I've allocated there, one about the snipping tool. That one says video training, and you can have more than one tag for a particular post. There, for example, it's tagged under useful articles and Facebook. So let's find a post that hasn't been tagged yet and show you how it works. So you can see a little label there that says add topics, make this post easy to find. So I can say add topics, it's how to create a Facebook group. So I can click add topic. I can type in a new one. You can see there's some existing ones to choose from. So I know it's about Facebook, so I can say that. But let's be more specific. Let's say it's training for Facebook groups. And as it says there, it says create. And the final step, be careful to make sure you click away and then say save. So now if I go back up to the top, you can see immediately one disadvantage is you can only have, looks like 9 topics displayed at the top there. But if you click on the 3 dots, you'll see the other topics as well. So there's the Facebook groups, and you click there. And you've got that one post that we just highlighted. So yeah, that's Manage Topics. Hopefully it's available in your group. Let me know in the comments below how you get on with it and how it helps you. There's lots of possibilities here. So much content, as I say, much better managed. For example, if you share files with the group, or if you have questions from your group that you answer, you can have those categories primary so that people can get straight to those. Commonly asked questions, that kind of thing. Alright, so that's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Please do join this free Facebook group. All you need to do is search for free social media training, or one word, or more simply, just click on the link in the description to the video below. We're rapidly expanding the group. We've got live videos every Tuesday. We're going to start posting new video content to the group every Wednesday. So lots going on, and hopefully I'll see you there. Okay, take care, all the best. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, social media personal trainer. Cheers.